So, Miss Linda, you're all done. How does it feel?
Great. I'm ready to get started. Praise the Lord. Thank you. I finally did it.
I know it's been a journey, right?
Yes.
So, tell the people about your brand. I know you travel a lot. You have a lot of impact out there. Tell the folks about your branding and your
Well, the first thing we'd like to do is for you to sit down and make your list out for your bucket list, and then give me a call.
I love it. I love it. All right. So, Miss Linda, what was the hardest part about your pre-orientation checklist? And what was the easiest part about your pre-orientation checklist?
The hardest part was me committing myself to sit down and study the way I should have been studying from the beginning. And then after I made up in my mind, I'm going to go get this over with so I can move on because I'm missing my money. I decided to get serious about what I was doing, and I basically memorized this stuff.
Well, I think that you did a great job. Listen, what is it? Muscle memory. But Miss Linda, I cannot tell you how proud I am of you. Finally finishing up everything. I know it's been a long journey with you and Miss Val trying to get everything on board. But listen, you're finally finished. You're finished.
Thank you.
You can go off and do your own thing. You know exactly what you're doing. Like, what are you excited for next?
First of all, I want to say thank you to you and the assistance that I've gotten from your team, because I would have not been able to do this, and I appreciate your patience that you've had with me on this. And like I said, I take ownership because I wasn't into it the way I should have been from the start. So I appreciate your patience with me, and so I'm sure it's going to be a lot easier from here on, because now it's all about me getting out there getting my money. So
you're right. Listen, we try to be as patient as we can. We know you guys have real lives out there, and you guys may not be doing this full time like we are, but we know y'all have lives, and we try to be as patient as we can. But you're very welcome, and anytime you need something, you already know I'm on a quick phone call, text message away, Miss Linda.
Yes, thank you. And hopefully I'll see you at our next little gathering. I got to get my duckies together for Vegas.
Yes, I will see you in Vegas, right? I will be there.
Plan.
If y'all didn't get y'all rooms, let me know so that I can send y'all the links, okay?
Yes, ma'am. We got it. Thank you so much.
Once again, congrats, Linda. Listen, it's been a long road, but you did it, and I'm proud of you. And if you need anything, like I said before, just let me know. I feel comfortable sending the client to you now because you know exactly what you're doing. You know what you're doing. You know all of the steps. You got it, okay? So if you need
me, I'm so excited.
Right?
And I especially I'm thankful for my sister because she really helped me out.
Miss Val is absolutely amazing. Hey, Miss Val, if you see this video. But thank you so much, Miss Linda, for trusting Mommy and We Travels and Travelpreneur Dreams. And if you need anything, just let me know, okay?
Thank you so much. You guys be blessed.
You're welcome. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
All right. Bye-bye.